Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rob a home run in MLB The Show 26. It's all about getting into the correct position and timing your jump properly. When a ball is hit deep toward the outfield wall, you'll see a landing indicator appear. As soon as you recognize it's heading over the fence, run underneath the indicator and position yourself where the ball is going to come down. Once you're close to the wall, keep an eye on the home run robbery meter that appears on the screen. You'll see an arrow moving through the meter, and this is where timing becomes important. When the arrow reaches the green area near the top of the meter, press RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation to jump. If your timing is right, your fielder will leap at the wall and bring the ball back into the park for a home run robbery. Don't worry if you miss it at first. Home run robberies are one of the tougher defensive plays in the game, and getting the timing down can take a few attempts. If you are specifically trying to unlock the robbery achievement, a great place to practice is Storylines mode. Head into the Mule Setters missions and select the third moment, Brilliant Black Baron, since it's designed around robbing a home run and gives you an easy way to keep retrying until you get it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.